Welcome everyone. I just intend to show us this best trading strategy, gold best trading strategy. Now, I want us to understand that what gold obeys is demand and supply. It obeys it, and then it respects support and resistance. Just take it or leave it. Gold obey demand and supply and respect demand and supply and respect support and resistance. That is just how you can trade gold and make profit. Now, forget about other trading strategy. If you have not understand this trading strategy, what I just mentioned now, and what how I'm going to show you, you're going to be losing out in gold. You're going to be blowing your account. This is just what gold knows: demand and supply, and then respecting support and resistance. Now, look at what happened here. Look at what happened here. See a supply. Look at supply here. Downward here is supply. That's a supply. Most currency pairs that follow gold are currency pairs that respect demand and supply. That's why you see that it will go in one direction for a long time. One direction for a long time. Okay, look at this now. One direction for a long time. That is where institutions have supplied the fund. That is why I said it understands only demand and supply and respect um, support and resistance area. Look at it. That is how gold is. If gold start moving, it's as if gold is mad. This is because institution trade gold a lot, and because they trade gold a lot, they put more money in it, and it moves faster. That's why gold is the most volatile pair you can see in the forex market. Now, how can you stay ahead of the market? Now, is for you to understand demand and supply. Now, I explain demand and supply in this channel, in my channel, very well. I explain it very, very well to the simplest. I also explain support and resistance to the simplest. Now, I'm going to explain this for you now, just in a summary, because I don't intend to make this video long. I just want us to understand why we enter this buy, because we are expecting a demand at this particular place now, and then our profit area will be here. It will be here. Now it does not matter whether it is today or tomorrow, but it will reach here. Now let me explain to us now. This place is our resistance zone. This is our resistance zone. While this place here, they are our demand and supply zone. Sorry, let me show us clearly. Now, supply zone, resistance area, resistance area. Now, this one now is resistance. This one is supply. This one is supply. Okay. If you have understand this, then you are halfway gone. Because if you know that this place is your resistance area, price will either break it or bounce it. And if price is bouncing, it is going to give supply for you to have a massive move downward. Not all this choppy movement. It is what it is supply of the market makers. It is supply from the market makers. Let me explain another one for us. Look at here. Look at here. There was a what? There was a resistance here, and then there was a supply at this place. So because there is a resistance does not mean there will be a supply. Because there is a demand does not mean there is a support does not mean there will be a demand. Like here now, there is a support here, but we do not see any demand here. Price was just going on its own. Price was just going on its own. There was not no much demand. This one is just normal traders that are just trading the market. Normal traders, look at it, that are just trading and moving the market. But when institution begin to demand, you will see it very clear. Now let me look for one demand zone so that you understand what I mean. Yes, look at here. This is a demand. This is a demand. This is a demand, which means that this is actually our support, and then here comes institution demanding the price. That is why I always tell us, understand a strategy from the beginning to end before you jump into it. Now, this strategy will change your gold trading career forever. Many people that are trading gold, if they can be able to get this strategy, that's all. Gold only respect support and resistance, but work with demand and supply. That is good. And if you are using, if you are trading it, use it from the 1 hour time frame, because you will see the clear chart in the 1 hour time frame. Look at it, very clear chart, very smooth and clear chart. So you'll be able to know the direction. Look at it now. If I decide to be drawing support for us, resistance for us, support, you see what I mean. You see it after every, you see it, there was a demand downward, there was a demand here again. So you see, just follow this and your trading career just change. See you in my next video. Subscribe to this channel so that you will not miss video and secrets such as this, and click the notification bell, very important notification bell, so that when I upload the video you'll be the first to watch the video and to implement whatsoever I'm teaching you. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel for more information.